Nicholas. Nicholas. Nicholas.
He's like, I'm watching the game, Daddy.
Let me change the channel.
Northern Iowa and UNLV.
Let me back this up so everyone can see exactly what's happening. There's the television. There's Nicholas. He has the remote now.
Here, why don't we put the remote over here and you can show everyone your crawling skills. Okay? Do you want the basketball? Okay, let's turn around so you can show everyone your crawling skills. Ready? Go ahead.
Go for it. Here, right here. Yeah, smile for the camera. Thank you.
Way to go.
Way to go. Yay! He's like, let me change the channel. What channel is SpongeBob on? Let's see.
Look at the camera. Here, you want to go get the basketball?
Nicholas.
Want to try to get the remote again? Here, let's put it over here.
Oh, what's fun.
That's with the baby.
Exactly. And good job. Thank you. Does this mean you'll get the remote control for us whenever we want it now?
Like back in the day before there were remotes, and our parents would be like, get up and change the channel.
It's like, oh. He's turning up the volume, everybody. He just turned the volume up.
He did.
Yes.
Turning up the volume on the basketball game.
He wanted to hear it. Oh, look what he's doing. He's working the room. Nicholas is actually operating the televisions. He's pressing the buttons. There we go. He knows to take it and point it at the television.
No, you're not supposed to watch TV.
Unfortunately, he's not supposed to be watching TV.
Not until you're 2 years old. Not until you're 2 years old.
Are we doing one more?
Want to try it again?
Yeah.
Want to try one more time? Is that funny?
Is that funny? Is that funny? Can you say hi to everybody? I'm crawling.
Can you do a high five? High five. You want to watch this game?
He's like, Mommy, I got the remote.
Which team did you pick? Who are you cheering for? Which team are you cheering for? Oh, do you want to stand?
There you go. Oh, you're standing. Okay. And still working the remote. All right, we're getting ready to sign off here. Can you say happy birthday to Joe? And he just turned the TV up. He's turning the TV up. Everyone just witnessed that?
I don't think the TV goes up that high.
Can you say happy birthday to Joe? Nicholas.
Happy birthday, Joe.
You turn the TV off.
Can you wish Joe a happy birthday?
Nicholas.
It's still on. Can you wish Joe a happy birthday?
Nicholas. Psst, psst, psst.
Here, buddy. Let's get a high five for Joe. High five. High five.
He's like, Joe, I hope you have remote control for your birthday.
Okay, buddy.
All right. One more attempt at a high five. Here we go.
Ready? Hey,
No, he's all remote all the time now.
Okay. What if we put the remote over here and we try to do high five? High five.
He's like, I need a remote control.
That's baby speak for happy birthday, Joe.
Happy birthday, Joe.
Oh, there you
that's
go.
nice of you. Thank
Good
you.
job.
Yes.
Good job.
All right, happy birthday, Joe.
Happy birthday. Feliz cumpleaños.
We're going to sign off, and Nicholas will pick some more television shows for us to watch.